come on all the exclusive in the world of sports no ye dey bro 8:30 near so na e ka the dying members of the yen time na ye be line no e dey atu na fe wo so adwen che kakra wo no ensema ye gi e bre na fe ya bese ho no now so adwen che e dey afa so e dey aba 0302 216545 and afi 0302 216546 na why interactive on the show but channel to say show no live on Facebook at Asempa 94.7 betimi the contributions no and afi what ye ni watini atini nyina no e dey aba yesin konya say all the exclusives no ye dey by education information entertainment ya bo the beda ye dey nyina esomo live on Asempa 94.7 team of able producers and you may umbo chidom no edos ye pa immortal Kwame Ejako Champon ebo chidom na fe writer amenyo Philip Otuo Gifty Antide Bernard Paddy Buchi team of able producers and you may umbo chidom ye den komo nyina ede ba enye asem kuma but enche kra no na ye rem far away e was start di Maradi and the national under 20 the Black Stars of Ghana koso den the last game my boy Ghana Senegal and e man shedan koye enne subo no ya dey bought Jimmy Kobler and as I say in the city just a game to go Ghana qualify to the next stage of the competition and now and no but Ghana Mali watching sa game ni ba ya jibra ya the all the details no e be free hodom e dey abasansuna during the week no glorious Accra House of Folk say why 2 signings 2 appointment say omumbe beefy up the technical team Bernard Hansen and I feel Aqua omo na babat ya bompeni for say omo ye due diligence and say no mo power sankofo ya and the details be if you hodom e dey but the good the bad and the ugly side of those appointment no and e be rem ye ba details ni doso eni nyan say team kese party say House of Folk or ye appointment near to 2 between a phone in din ewoma enya asem kuma but ye be trap from na fe ya hwe the appointment of Kim Grant or no and the technical director na fe ya bon kompo akona chikaka and seven mobile de pa boot for boot and ye de ba and I say Twitter and Twitter sebe chineta e mo de intitewa so din ye den sam komo no eba ebreba muso a ye betu fa na fe ye rem kakra Israel live and exclusive former Blasters midfielder former Accra House of Folk midfielder Anthony Pablo Aima Anthony Anan ye ne be din komo unim say ne wa rem Jerusalem was signed one of the richest clubs Jerusalem better Jerusalem na Brantiana signing to the end of the season and now in the first training and then live and exclusive on Asempa 94.7 ye de san komani nyina e de babat adaje ni wonti enche ye boru na fe ya call asantimante magudie mu nsem keka na fe ye nua na najiman wono wa krado ejina hono ma odin komani nyina ba enya asem kuma enti ye kokuma se aba midin e de maestro the ultimate and matras ye de komani nyina ba tewasudi na enche na fe abadwafo so asinkonya Michael Okan ono di kan atena se umom kan nyina no betwane me pretty surely na fe nkomo wa chi nyina no ye de abrewa enye asem kuma but enya no nko a wonim se wo mo aspect to be the president of the F you know ya de omuguso a ebo apro e wo man Ghana mu hana ye ne delegate ni bi akasa enam se ukodru ba bia obia ne de oka enam se dodo na mfa wo manifesto e ma abontene na ye ne delegate ni bi ekasa ye no de omu kan se utie binom ekasa mu a te se bia wura George Free chese ne nkomo na ye te se wo ye inspire na se wo obi a oba na o show mu nkran se o ebe ye bibia be fine game ni de ye de ba be di ensa enti delegate chese George Free wo ye inspire ana fe Winfred o se kwaku pama delegate chese ne nkomo a obonyina no obeso chese on the next of kin wo se anoma bia bohwe ma bia gunasum se the Brenner Druni so enti kwen bias no ono ene the next FA president ene na delegate ne kan nyame na meka enam se omu kwa probo na wo di omu nkomo na etu omu tirima de omu agitum no anase de omu jensem no ana omu chi omu jase kedo kreku de wo se wona na the touched one chese ono ti nyame de nsa ka no ese FA ne die wona na nei eka business wise na ni ati wo business mu pa nti nyame de nsa kan so me save eye de efi ene na eye curtain so kan na so kudofiano wono so why very slow and quiet na delegate bia wono madi nkomo chese oh wo chese wono de wo the crusader a chese wono ako atu abayagu ama bre ya dure so se wono so betena kunya kase ne so na obedihne wo sa kunya yi so ensem no mo de anafe nana ya wamponsa so far wono kwa na de ne manifesto about chese decoding the football people tag name was say why the God sent the Messiah and I'm say ono kase bia was twede ampon yime na the sent and I said the God sent and the touch one meaning say the difference is here wono so nkomodie delegate chese wo pese chese ono de Messiah no and na power na odeba Robert Saki oti abrochire nanso djuma yedi wo so on de ode ho bagin wo so on de the foreigner na Ghana fo dream ni kata se che dokru wo mu ewo afio no odidi e passe obienya on de otiama no ne nsa clean and odeba beboa yen afi ono so e de nanso Fred Popo de wo say we the new chapter of the afi the new chapter of the new afi eno so aba na Michael Atenase minim say Michael open the inspiral say the next of kino the touched one no e bia the sento the foreigner and I say the new chapter ni nyina no e yade a enkomo no eba memo adaje na fi wodurem kakra ba yenko kumase na fi agudie mu nsem keka no yenua nana jema no kado na de ensem nyina okay nana ko live on okay and a bright yabuwa Taylor emum ebesom ede amana nana fi ede nkomo nyina ede aba live on Asempa 94.7. Alright, yanko asante mantem na fi emfa agudie mu nsem keka kakra emfa emra bright good evening not say
na ozwe
nyame adom ya fi mfamo kakra pa me sure say Kumasi de feeling ni nyina ye koroko ne zesku no minim be bia no na adaje ni swakra adaje ni poso na say enkomon ketenkete e wonka ha no e bia wi amede ba ko mienu be babo na me de agya kwan ye ne snap ma me wo Kumasi.
Yeah, my papa was yeah movie be akwa ban family Kumasi o mo mu tie dumadi no Big Ben Adam woni wo ko Skido Alan Skido wo Germany Hamburg ene party mo US mu na so mu fa so ni nyagwe ka we fi be dan ko tie san so na maso hanso mu nyina na 88 but number papa was to o be piem e wo Kumasi ade ten se dumadi no se de odi ka ka ni nyina akoye kotoko just ko match on be bonemo Watina Asante Gold bo a friendly match Saturday friendly match second division team wo Kumasi a china omoni as gold and the besia kan Boasil in Police Force the bia with the chain normalization committee tournament and also ebetimi asa in as gold bo friendly match china na obe pem Kumasi so a dey say tension wo so there's a nyasam koto na ko management omo ba na etu pasa Kumasi Kenya Maga class supporters no say ne supporters no more awareness or also create awareness say ne kotoko supporters no match bi o wukua da be ya Wednesday ya midweek ya 1 p.m. enti supporters no dia ana mo fa match bi ana say ana match o mo fa no asia pa ne say ne ya so fuduku a ono esqua ono ana ye kasamafo kanyi dema Asante kotoko sanso ne message monaka crowd rep our company but also a can be Sansona doctor ya support do na friend say energy na ono policy analyst at the macro ya Kumasi Asante kotoko na one so di say dwumadi no ntintima ye pa Sansona ne oba be prim so na ya de say agana nyina ba bia national circles chairman kokwamponsah chairman K5 na ono so ka dwumadi no a ye team pass na me so meka ho ene nye sa se best flowers de nye nem Kumasi montre so sa na ye sa se na se wura mu asafo PT shop asafo fita mu so mu no mu best stadium nti asafo ne dadre so aba ho nim pinpino no and your number one night your copy to form before near Tomo, not Peter for pledges of Fabu. Now, so, Yabba is a moon, you know, by 11:30 stadium, you run Antiqua now, but you better, you wouldn't bear a 12 mana, ya Kenya, Computer 1 bit near the game, not was into, and no, any dinner or more can you start him, and so our BIP station, and so as a one mana, and yes, I could have VIP terminal, then so open power, I have traffic officer. Every night to make the BIP company, as you do to and what as now, or Muyako supporters will be around when they shop match in the BR. And I guess a boy 11:30-45 our moon power, and I'm so almost Ben Stadium in Tiro, almost between and also my fat taxi. Now, one Ghana City Pekwan and taxi in the year, now you wish to stadium when you say time. Now, so when you have our Babania Ras Sports Stadium, no, I will say, the demand and Nam Central Market, the Coroma Hell, the Roma Hell. And now your name is was coming from a Baba food bridger and no word doom to us one. And you would have doom, you and none of Duma, and said dramatic, and you could pay hours at the house of Swanma, a doom to us one. And no one now, the supporters in the that one. Once the one, Bia, Asempa, Bia Baba, no Mama, the supporter, said you were there and you should be to Macoso. In particular, on that was our Swami magazine. And what an omni, you were the number top Bantama, no man was Swami magazine. Nurse day you may be not very na Monday nurse institutional health no another institutional no more schools near their offices no ma baby I bet you aboa ama omu age penye so ko bet baba be sia kana ko force yet to say bia bet me man before the game as well as perform it because we are not bad this will be drop out 11:30-45 Ekoma 12 na se bibia ni wasana anka na nipa kwasa no ho ya asese bisa enti se ye entertainment bi e wo no mu entertain fans no mu ye a ma wu ti se ye nyade se game bi e ba na se wi bi e bon enti mo ya so mbenya one or two artists bi na bi asele wi mu bi se no mo ho osere sa mu ta nim no to no en ya papa da yi fo bi aka on into for no mo so be entertain se minim se sata mo ne sa kwade mu nya be prem dia no de kotokomani me ban prayer ya to say omba ya sa anya mo mu de gu akoma mu nya na sa omba ya sere be ya no ba boa na ne to for ba bi no ma sa asa entertainia tie no so ene de di wa ye sa de me tie for ewe djuma de so na obetu mo kotokoso ma terminate emrante mienu contract abrante ba ko ofri nanu si le ba e fa na ze kamponsa o ma terminate contract sanso na abrante ani bi enso ebe goalkeeper Michael Abu wada do asoda wada aya ni bibia so ba ka bibia so ba di to kapro oni Eric Niba ne Salia Drusu na da no kwa na sha ase prelims na Salia Drusu be da ya wodo mo di kapro aka seduma o mo se Asante Gold no then time ta goalkeeper no dem elimina sas okwa jiri di pa na ase pe Michael Abu e ba kotokwa no odidi mu anei o ma terminate Michael Abu contract so o mo ntimi ni to Michael Abu a o ko ku pro memorial ko wi Gadeko senior high school no o Kumasi ni abrante ya terminate the contract goalkeeper na ono so dinani e tire ba bia ordinary be nti kotokofo eguso nsese na the president is kofo no enu anyu mre na miensa wo Kumasi Ghana mo bo apo ense ba bi bebre nti ama demru ma ehu kaka na ntran so bi free tire ko bia kofo no e be take down e wa ka Kotoka International Airport na kotokombe ba for na nti ya de say Papa Maestro kotokombe for air trackoma car say main time no mani ye 1 PM kotokonkwa bo ne ben ana 1 Ghana sa premiers 3 matches 1 PM na mienu bien ka Sunday be ba so 1 PM na man for ba quartet at church no o mu be bi say the man your ball ko ya bo first half o tra ko second half mu ani enti nka ka fo ye bibi pa enti ya ne say aso mo pisia ma bibi e koye e bia de e be sani me bia that matches na be ka sa apeti ya other games they bet mark 4 PM in Jano and then you ya or must send this on the manager back kappa or much money up competition na carpenter club a committee no meaning that normally Ghana has a present 70 now or much because now me the 20th one more year so say a deputy general secretary Mr. Asante or say no one now where say me there's a time be because one not a ball you are sending fishes in a time at the kick off time at the account 1 time no 1 PM when you are well Sani Manintia and no a buffer the cap of force with me I consider Kotoko. Now say the game press match here. Maybe other 2 matches on the benefit. Maybe I could come there for 4 p.m. and you may at me the Amakotoko supporters. Yanti, we also know the Baba, it's not Santaman Tama, Kotoko management, all I also, you be a new coach, here. Aya and Fishamu, at the idea who I also Kabi, and they are 2 pass and Taman Tama, in command to Pinketia, and I'm there to take from Asempa 94.7.
Bright Tower Breakaka.
Papa Mansfield.
And Kahanum Diano and Commano and Yan Kaka. What is a normalization committee, no? FIFA Nitiumka. And you should say your wepa.
I boss Nankasa, President Ebert now. But to be a platform for Taka. Abla Sungu.
Fantastic, fantastic. Now, and they wouldn't Hanama, a branch of Bako on a Namo cancer on the one yakitia. No crepe woman say, what truck at the command normalization for say, one tiasi apart from certain allowances, meetings are Unyano, Umidintia, Umina, some Ghana, Nancy Kaba, Yeteneja. Now, and maybe I think this yogumenum says, say, normalization for also truck command, FIFA, and a free busumi, what is our branch, or $3,500 a month, Memano. Where young command, and then Namabon. Let not corner the Edion backdating. And not the Emma normalization for us, a Chumusum, say, what then is up Pim the Busso, in Piamica. Then so was so many sad Dankasa, Mini, Oma Catch and say, FIFA Jatum, Jacketiano, and I'm concerned about it. Bokumasi for money, as what is a brand TV castle or Nisika, I war normalization, so and Yanokre. Why?
And you know, Papa Mansfield.
Right, Namia Shaman, Namia Shaman, Well, we are back live on Asempa 94.7. Me did the match to the ultimate and I'm Tibio Man. Yes, sports night, you may know. Bro, Shannon Son said, and the 8th of February. Special birthday to Kobe Stone. Special birthday to Kobe Stone. Me were a different level and different feeling because Kobe Stone me ba prekope. Na ebi nim na ebi nso a hu hia se bia me kan radio so but Kobe minam de no e ba radio so kane the first kasa can radio so Kobe Stone na me be microphone man kasa enti we more than a brother to me enti ene Kobe with you more grace to your elbows not onto your white shirt and I'm de Emma no anze be mo ni ada ho enkan no enough from sao enti aya hwe apre no do so pa na tin you maybe so we ya futu a wow papa me de Emma Michael good evening that is saying Bibia come fantastic one me person ka we Kumasi de na snappy because me wo Israel ko but Israel no kwan no wa enti enka wo kasa na mafa kutuka ha I want to say, I'm a fat chartered flight. If you are my Fabi and Malikaka, no Buafanije, no my shed the Ecosu under 21 Kaka, maybe I'm a Sebia Cotonou, maybe I'm a Bursi Mauritius, maybe I'm a Cosebia, maybe I'm a Bonnet Montenegro, now feel my fat a year Finland, now my feel my fat direct to a year Israel, now feel Anthony Pablo Aima, and I say Anan, Nafi and Common Jerusalem, Nafi and Common Yano, but M7 the signal say, any flight need to me kapa. Mama come back Nafi Mencha said Anthony Annan former Black Stars midfielder. You're not live on the line Nafi and come on Yasha say honomo. Anthony good evening.
Good evening.
Net is saying yeah. Ghana for feel papa. May I just say Brunya Wama?
They went to Mamba. Not to Ghana for pa.
Yeah, sure say and your money now could do few boko and some median kwana came.
Bye.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Why you PNS in come live and you may was Asempa 94.7. During the week, no, and yet it's when a mega deal with Better Jerusalem. Now, Ram Kaka, Mekaipa, why would me and as a colleague, Derek Boating, a hopa no make a lot of money. Now, Ramusu Kaka, Josie Benayon, or no Esiakama, West Ham, Arsenal, Chelsea, Liverpool, where captain the national team of the Israelis. See, I can't just say a lot of stars. Meaning, a French superstar, a friend, a Conte, one also see a kind of Honoma. What better a mist of superstars? More, very good news for you. But what's in a few 8 months? Sa contract nearby, no. Now initial reaction there to saying, what gonna phone come?
Oh, Moses can mother Yanko Panasi. And now I'm mother Ghana phone now, so I see, behind by was the car. No, am I? BBI na ozikano maybe the contract na Finland no we last year October 31st na we ntina me wo ho a me training kaka I to the man me personal training na me ya do ma obu kwan da ma kwanye obeda menyim oye embi kakaya by Israel Hannah. And Yamada do go do and so maybe I record them are players that Bob Mons in 1 year or ha. And Yamada do me training Kaka.
Yansha, Dabe now your first training or a Better Jerusalem team.
Maybe do Tuesday and Opa. And I BBA medicals, maybe Biana, Yamada do my BBI fine. And I'm going to sign them Tuesday night. Them and you bring over 7 o'clock and we'll close the transfer. Into now they say now all Wednesday. And I'm on a share training. I see I bet him in there. So I'm on a training.
Now feeling it is saying as a free agent. Bibia Tom Kama, Ama we are motivated as we will give you all out for the club.
The American be a free agent. Now I was prepared today. Bibia will be there. Adamoko because of Mejuma me see Obandam no I was motivated there most wasting or them moko na make me Bobby ewo the American Derek Boating obviously akano ha na Esha obayazi ewo ha moko mpona kit manager wo no obonizin ewo ma manuaji anti no pere akopon babu na listening na here
na ayini so atum anaze no de akiri
kiamaka
se o sign ye no o wetu atum anaze eno de akiri
oh devi mana ya banti ya pere ye jimane kaka na bibia be fine.
Okay, a new environment, a new atmosphere, a new fans, and I feel as a eager so to me performing in this short spell like the amount no idea an extension. Okay, no, it is saying bow normal Antoniana game, and I say feel G3 pressure kakra also. Send it here, but me come away.
Okay, pressure is on should I need to be brave, but when you soon there, me only a training kakaka. Nyame beche bibia fit ni bibia baba nti se wan faso yin da se bia me fit so a na me gira go pama no da na yakopon kamo a bibiara o ye fine me da go fine papa so na go na da wa o onko ekra nti bibia ko do a you good nti e we sun da bibia be fine na reception so abenya e club no very good pa players in day no Samoko what to be so done not say or to done what to done say maybe be some club and penny for no even fans on the crowd like we pay me too much ma what training our pede when he play on your bekasa na zinti feeling here very good it's there or a family club papa family club and see and our big supporters to Super Bowl. Before the I'm not supposed to Guama Kenya who to me.
So Obi nim obi nim club no beka so me Dortmund, especially home jersey, the yellow and black, and that massive fans are de Emma team de bia but okoye no menim so ye midfielder that role now de ekoye na say no hu a omofa wo hear the midfielder say wo horoma now compare wo to wa obviously betime a break it through.
Oh nyame aduma mo team na sisi anama na makono why today why for na old players no horrible na I'm the mental promo na mo pen my elite training na my fit na my focus into any time there I'll be called to go and play no and now I am prepared into one born thing I mean I do not was a chance more than for na my chair into me chana coaching the there that don't know open another for no abana open.
Matthias Asempa Ghana for omo fans and also mo love you game no tete wanya a new club na you mo energy pa me sure say do na 80 dey no mo expect free Asam Anthony Ananho wo ye better Jerusalem
kakra mo tima ka chon de mo da wona ase wo mpaibo on the time echi e dia dodo na free dey dia me dia ball no ball ni dia ball kwa mo da wa me gina manado Morobo. Mother one out there who came Ghana for Biasi and Mugudu Morobo and the Musu more than a year also when you are a beji because Obia or his canna Mazimon and I did Mobiska. So it is support ma or Adobe Hemo. And the Musu Bay and in your beji and the Ever Corner would say within the may funny. And I play or very well. But as a player, no target me saying say at the end of the spell, no one your extension, and I say be no moving on from better Jerusalem to a different club. The American man some there in Kabotu Marbona BBI fine. A number of games or Damotumoba. Maybe other cordon, the many extension, will depend on myself and the coach as well. And see, mum playing, I hope on mum's favor, not too many mum, every every them all year more Finland, on some on year mum now, coming in. So I had a more say, baby, for fun and more, and I hope on that, as it, Mazzy I'm that, on same.
Amen. Yes, sure, say nyame be pa. But Pablo, catch Ghana for now. And they all concentrate solely on club level football. The national team need me sure say what dreams say cry. Where jai ba no, ya retire wa no, and I say home community saying.
Oh, national team no, them are Abibian Makano. Okay, nyame I'm the man said I may ye BBR. There be a marker here. Confusion and about to create a view of the guy is in the power. Nadama Makana Dubiano, Yadoso, Ghana players in Yadoso, the three, and the coach be asking on new player or fitting into his strategy and see Ibia coaching on new player or offer. And they are our or China or you will be. And the bond remain major Black Stars. Because nation what on Safra Yami are doing so to Safra Muntu and performance because Naman or them
yes, call a Jerusalem media ube put it up your maximum best maybe the call up for AFCON year 2019 Dr. James Kwesi Apia Frewa na say what can be prepared no be ball e the Black Stars of Ghana and yes sir
the man not ya company yesterday we are fine.
Now, unam amano no monitor the Ghana League kaka, and I say the situation our Ghana football mo take kaka, monitor kaka.
Na monitor kaka fine. Na mo ko na wana nyama yi kaka. And me feel dey be am pay for so to nyama na asane start video na easy because he agent ho isi.
Kwasi nyanta jinsu ko.
Oh, them the match, but me said I'm see more as I'm not.
Yen nuan Sentoni be a friend and Nas.
na kochi kwasi nyantachi se oje gift wo Dubai abonten ni nyina video clear na the president of the FA den oje sika twitwiri die e agu rubber bag ma nya asem kuma ye video no ene nei anam so ama FIFA de a lifetime ban e ama the president den of the FA ene nkomotia wa metima kire mu dia ma.
Oh, okay.
Ade ayo ya kakra ho.
Okay, I'm not saying that. I'm that more one is it. I'm that no Oshe Yendo. Nti minim baby or to the minti. What did you know why the thing in that? Nti obey me yo. Kaka but mama kind there. My wife no. I'm your everyday. Nam we sure there. It didn't know what's on there, but minim ba them are own actually ya. Nti yeshama.
Okay, maybe what Ghana now bomber the beautiful colors, the beautiful people with beautiful colors, glorious Accra House of Folk. But this time around, Kumasi Asante Koroko and Airborne the CAF Interclub Championship. Ghana had a Confederation Cup. Until Wednesday, one is Zesco Club from Zambia and Koroko ne has the Timbako Panesa. Futu Benadema Koroko and I'm saying their last game no. No man said Ankuye and Farmer. Sudan.
Okay. Me has easy, but on Chade, Monkey football wasn't. Go to Maka Kotokwa Asen because some people have a colleague and Obia is about Kotoko and seeing to me a idea. Kakam to Maka, many are knowing there. Mawisino, 1.2 when 18 city and Wabano. One you're very determined. There we win match now, but I'm now fans when you're no one got that place when you're begging into one fine share on team there. Well, but we win.
Okay. See, na phobia for being so sending message. Say, now what can be a check of we are woman casa Obama mono and you fans in 80. Then I'll be catch you.
Oh, phobia they or the mark on papa. I bring many in painful 1 or 2 million casa, even though many around me. When 2 weeks on the team Morocco than in Morocco, then Nazi. So, or Markham, see, Kakama catch on the million more about Hona Wallborn in the one share a children, a bit by yen. I am so you may be ever born. You may use in Kakatu and Yamia, my too. As a father, as a quadruple, and see, also for them a small for 2 1. There was a ball. No one to name, no one that could baby. The Nakopon some more on the more better way beyond. I want to live into a higher level than my own.
Okay, fantastic one. Pa nano na ye ne Blasters captain Baby Jet as amoja edin komo say retire from the game finally kra na obekwa akosia kan ma Kumasi Asante Koroko. Minim o be fia retire kra na Koroko nie has nie duana nie team be na obesan aba be nya a taste and I say a feel of the Ghana League and sana final kra wakwete playing the game.
Okay, since you me said I am baby maybe. But never can have the meeting. And as I mentioned, sir, the ball has jackets. The ball vipers so.
Yeah, Mikaipa.
Very much vipers. They want to make sure and San Munko has jackets and San Yamaya. I don't need to mark hat. And see, one thing there, my check, I'm Kaka Mobia.
And the football no be bubu no tot nyeza. Matias Eba, but one Niger story in Shada Nyedesa, the national under 20 so ewo AFCON ho enra ene chino Senegal chieche 2-0. The final game your China ye bebo with the group stages no. Ghana Mali yentumi win ye hia draw and san ya qualify to the next stage. Shem kodanu kran kakrai.
Oh, okay. Kakra mutima catch on the media coupon media one. Na on Kichi, last match. Into the match, to determine there if we're gonna go forward. And as you have a bit into Yamfonte and Yanakumadu, they able born as our mother Ghana.
Now you to me as a qualifier. That's you to me a qualifier. Glory no. You so players now one will be maybe. And the one bomb was now one call when him. And now I want to one go through to the next stage. And I am done capital.
Fantastic, fantastic. Whether me knew we share any we part 1 of the interview yeah. Make sure say ebia enchekra never say the part 2. But me knew we am say Jerusalem hono communication that is saying what challenges wom and I say bro for no omuti kakra say na oni omsi ebon komo.
Oh okay, what you work English no. What you work English in players and most of them what you work English and Bibia the communication is going well. Not
with time, no. So, we be extension there. As I pay extra class, be cool, Anna.
So, if you have a better mission, Hebrew Casanazana, or there, no chef, extra.
But what are your foot to Kakana made a mouse? A honum dear, Sabin Yamasum opa, took a bow, no, yes, Kakaka, Ubedrugana, Crabit Matia, sorry, why a sofa, maybe a kikus, now you're sofa, now to Niana Popit and him now can you say because how dare Yamin any Bible war? Indeed, oh, you're training Kakana do any so qua, sorry, no Kaka, now we see Hebrew Kaka, no see a Bible, and I'm saying, nay, I saw from Fianfia Ukuma, a big retama to a big shem come out who ye, and in our crown or mood discapa, and but Bobono, and ya, Fanyam some bra, but yeah, sorry, you never babble, boy, maybe I find why.
You have one better Yanko Pombo Bona over to Mafe Yandana Yajakra Amayami.
Fantastic, fantastic. And probably we see. No, means enka yebeka a year court case in one some other issues be, but and now ye part 1 of the interview. I think say on the same platform now. Yebesa free be na fi yenya a year extensive and exclusive. Wo a year dear koso wo side of Jerusalem. Yebeda see no time and you live on Asempa 94.7. But unim sa wo bi chiana na say wo ba kumie no bi e can finally cry no ma dia ja kwan.
Oh. Kaka makainda metie Ghana funya me papa me anu na madofo na obia me ti obia
okay obi anso age so obi anso edase but you know me man nkam enchesa ama Christmas na say bantem
papa
Anthony Pablo Anan yadase wajebre say oni yakasa live on Asempa 94.7 Sia Jan also Tigana ha obompa de ma pa enter the right time when obekasa why me da se pa okay abusa for you free Israel Jerusalem to be precise about live and exclusive Anthony Pablo Ama and I say Anan and I say you know enya enkomotwe hono Sia ha Michael ha na fi yewura issues mo ye betimi anante ho kakra but and the main issues no heart folk mama me this scenario nwie na fe okwa na fe wetimi awuram Tuesday and I said during the week no and yet so my appointment mienu ewo omo backroom staff no ebushafo tie heart folk heart nye team ketwa heart wonye sebe team ketwa okrom ha enche na special competition no ye be hyase enti se heart ye koroko ye all other clubs were Ghana higher na ye selected players for even national teams and can you need that abysmal performance who were Ghana against Senegal and it's a appointment for a bigger club and was said yes abuano eswa ne ngoma so enya sanete and it's a hard to folks so obey appointment no one need due diligence I say raise questions na Wallace te ha one need the PRO of a heart of folk edin komo opare e bisa se who new appointment Erika Kwa and I feel Ben Johnson no and I say Ben Hansen no one requirement one certificate ekutom no at saying opare catch Ghana for say subsequent days no what beba me my show pare anima to date am I and me name team I who fi ha no ya team ya deep into the issue and has the 40 year woman team here because me many abre any Asempa and me zero it down to Kim Granta Ominaba as on my technical director. He is a very, very deviant coach. Now so Denipa I'll not miss my words. Now so Denny and it's a house fraternity no woman to me and tighten seat belter and ya don't bet my contain no woman to me holding no. He's so impervious. Who go through Nimua because of Costati or Cape Coast. And this is not a fiction, a true story. Time I would do Cape Coast, no. Now I'm more a quote from the University of Cape Coast. I'm from Coach Rowe, Prosper Nite. We're a lecturer, physical education. Or buy your budget team, no putting your money together. And nobody Kim Grant buy. Nobody pay by so many technical director. What it means is that so we are technical director, who did not bencher, who said who gave me, but what you are Utimi. Minim and me on the share, minim the spectacle I want to share. Nanso ni greediness inti see a fill team sheet. Not Prosper Nate, the head coach, a throw team sheet, and say one head coach pay. Na Kim Grant Nebuafu. Or per se biano, your man all the accolades, to be on there. Meanwhile, your level of education, as far as the game is concerned, put together, just opposed together. Now the two Prosper Nate, and money baby, Messi ne phobia fontie, because ayana me ya, minim se kala nintio. Krom hanam, so be a kokoka krebi, so yase buoni, or yase sebi, or fika krebi pe, near pejana swa. It will never help the game. And what game leader? Me to story so dia chow. Santo kwano. And a pa has for draft from penny for you know. Would do Almina, a call Almina Sharks no. The same way. That was the time of Aya Kwabne Misa. Kwabne Misa, Aya the head coach ho. One more air fracking Grant no. One catch and say, oh me tenio academy coach. Academy coach. We be do team nimu pe. And opposition ho as the technical director. One call the training grounds of the academy. A some way and I'm say any fiction. A real story, a true story. Because me share story now. Me share one side. Me share number G all the details. Nam diaba. Papa edge can tell so say on your academy coach ma Elmina Sharks da. But obetina bench. No instructed Kwabne Misa. That was the time Misa ka say or resign. A kofan to kwaba say one fan the GMC kanemra anyway. A Kim Grant ya. Now a Misa call ya pet. And no taking the position or per se all other technical staff no ebe se na se na de eye wo ni say amika be si we nusun say sa abrantie ya fe no Ben Hansen aye so ye first team coach no o coaching kwada e wata baze o coaching kwada e wata baze so nim ke coach ye na udu Almina na udu baby a same blood sport no no ubuko benkum so a pakitu abi wo ho papa no me see the highest certificate kuta no ebe intermediary me say asema me ka obi abisa asem me say intermediary ene kuta no but time Kim Grant is starting adwuma or GBB akenten so e wo Almina Sharks no that was the time our far sa Ben Hansen as ni close bar me de minim amanfo so no fefe guest man me minim bi but only ne nam one in them and what plotted that guy in the team as a spy. I will not miss words. They can challenge me everywhere because the facts are bare. The facts are bare. What do you say? And what fact what they? It's a way trainer and no didn't let you. What she said, Kurosmano. One in them. Me see Asempa from Tim. Our club in Mupe. Say Kim Grant in what? Kim Grant in your pet. Now what? Na me catch you say so be catch you say Ben Hansen Almina Sharks no way adwuma da enya no kre woman tua ne kada woman man appointment da because some catch any plane so any requirement we need certificate go to Almina Sharks we can call them online live I'm a Ghana for unity we enya fiction me ha mani so nka enu kre to do na me catch you no enti Kim Grant no afanse ne body woni nanam because bibi to form na boys rekeka ebeba bedroom ho na owia na nsan wasa adapted radio station okay Almina your friend Benua FM mesi me tuo na meka Benua FM Kim Grant na adapted station no or management meeting pe ansa no be pia bontene no na radio no eka. This is the type of man who create a lot of confusion. Almina Sharks confusion galore. Go there and ask them. And he has for say, woman, you king God. They want to worship him. Where are your coach? Where are your coach? You went from the Kutano, calf for Clonibi, or you say equivalent to calf. Sana requirement in the and he has for the American boy, woman for Ben Hansen. ne certificate na bontene per the interviewer opare ene eye Wallace ye ofia no omfamra ni ensi me hu yenka chanse mi entro mabeka bi agum enye no kre yemfa no nto nchen Erika kwa wono aye aduma since division 1 ewo Almina Sharks till date as a nurse because no more the local boy friend eye Sam Mazua no we local boy ne ka se we Mazua ne ka se we nurse, two different things. And the house Timi Kofa a nurse so a physiotherapist. What are they telling me? Physiotherapist. We a nurse work your friend is saying Cape Coast Hospital in Tibetan. Even a club like Almina Sharks on my own administer na say one my own mark player be a year a drone. Would you actually Pania Crown will be that? Say player because in the Tiano cover para. We can say be an no cover painkiller. Eddie Amano, ye do ba abe your friend is a physiotherapist. What are you telling me? A club like House of Folk. No physio, do you? I was so knowledge about human anatomy. Wouldn't you crown? I was so knowledge about somatotyping, classification of the body size and types. Wouldn't be? I was so little knowledge about bones. Say a big bone, palm. You should know the femur, the tibia, femur. Also, who be beer. What do you say? And many I was so differentiated between what we call the synovial fluid. What work of will be wayenness, one fracture, whether a simple fracture, compound fracture, commutative fracture. Nina won't be. Kwamina Sharks. These are not fictions. Me hameninka. Me can clutch has a form. House of fun, I'm sorry. Because so been a year bibia, ye were torture group or and you number torture me. Mama was so me macano credit chemo. And some coach, you know, and then the new appointment of my woman in a baller, bunku, woman in a paperianim. Go to Almina Sharks and ask them. Go there and ask them. Me hameninka. And it's a club like House of Folk. Oh yeah, appointment, recruitment. Now the fet and you know Kim Grantima. These are the types of appointment of Bayamao. Me say Erika Kwa Ben Johnson provide your own requirement. No mun track record. Now mun say physiotherapist. Ne juma any nurse juma. Say in a city. And so you be woman nurse na ba no be man kra na du bone nyesa. Tata wo de obe plot wo mo. Minim station na phone kan hanum de. But e be hanum your maha. But I'm saying, Obe plotting a seed of confusion. I will have team. That is what he do. There are terms that Timmy to coin. Echo match. Onkobi because we selective match our pen oko. But Bibiko see our venue hopper Obedu. I mean, on a laptop so. No, I told you my radio station says yeah. This is the type. Yeah, to came Tyron the Grant. Muhubruni and Pijano. No we brony papa. Sorry, we brony papa. Yan kan ukra. Yes, you need them for dia grow yan said them for grow. House of Folk. Say that here. We need kakra me room dia ba. From the interview, sentimentum senkeka any house issues are abano. Michael, some I'm on first 8 minutes. Come on, bomb the castle, Yanko.
Now from Kumasi, in some night by and say Ashanti go for your boyfriend. Now we share Ashanti go for no. They are more preparation towards MC for special competition. Now I see Ochina umbebo game. Only division 1 team bebo game. Now any omupe Hakara of folks organize a game against Pogumai. Into Ochina we also see say has force to be preparation towards the game. Now we share Kotokofo on game with the Zesco for management. Put it together. Say they have an event, not just a football game, but an event. Say you better football outside, music also outside. It is supporters are not just football, but they have an event to witness. Now
supporters need their own event.
Yes.
What they want is their 3 maximum points.
Yes.
And I think that at the end of the day, so many 3 maximum points. Umbe so excited.
Yes. So who's a music so if you have music and you have football, it becomes an event. Okay. Especially so moving next game. Now under 24 because of MC 4 issues I clouded the under 24 year, but because of last game and attention album so now under 24 footballer
under 24
yes now footballer the state Ghana football, that's a juvenile football. Now, ball Mami share from the top. Now, if you look at Jimmy Cobbler, and the strategy of the game no is similar to Kwesi Appiah. The strategy, the ideas, the principles or the football mu a similar thing na Jimmy Cobbler but on no dia no on to me now let me start from Kwesi Appiah. Kwesi Appiah as a coach our plan A. The plan B or the bobo na plan back plan A or sisan information da the formation be ade be obo 442 on sisan da into or the back and as present this information now we share na wa share no or no share wa na wa share who's that say Kwesi Appiah we about 433 and I say about 352 they be 442 up 2 and 3 no up say they should have speed. They are not just defend the spell but they will attack into they be say I say Nanfo any lumo they are playing time now Baba man or fit no they are using the man playing because you also go for it you not defend though. So
the same formation na
sa Pepe
and difference yes in
difference now say if you come down the team now only number one yes now we share competition one goalkeeping department no and the land on Chibo behind on three man way competition behind it new in the starting man now we share goalkeeper here then share that I say good and not good because
in the first game I think so excellent saves.
It was not really tested. The second game I tested it twice or you double save.
I bet to differ. So the first game you tested even more than the second game.
Right. Me call back and forth but the second game or you 2 double saves.
Yeah.
First was a free kick and then the second one also was
a loose ball.
Rebound yes. Yeah. And he made that save. Now Obesha goes now you share no we blame this because the defenders no the 4 and 5 come down mensa no omo expose no into goals now consider on to me nyawo now number 2 I friend Ata no Oshana Mafo just say now as a right back Jimmy Cobbler is expecting say this boy will not only defend but he will go for it and attack or they provided a striker I friend Daniel Oboti which crosses but that Ata during the 90 minutes against Senegal one cross penalty
but Michael when you say coaches play per the type or the crop of players or and these are the teamer and the players who kuta don't even buy any other different formation.
Yes,
what they are saying
and me break it down Kwesi Appiah there and let me say but let me just yes I'll do snappy it's Ata we should Ata boy Kwesi Appiah expect say I stand for better crosses no it's the same thing Jimmy Cobbler expect say Ata better crosses but during the 19 minutes only one cross and if you don't make if you don't make many crosses, you disable the striker from getting services. Now, Mensa, the partner of Konda, the captain, the partner of Konda, during the game, and I said during the 90 minutes, on my 4 long passes. Now, 4 long passes are useless. Become useless because long passes are it's just very Obama opponents, and I say Obama. Strikers no or body nama opponents no now we are sana who cause panic in your defense because there was one incident be in a game where goalkeeper no did or say then say on to be defending ball into a player a cause panic between only goalkeeper no and Kakito Anka Senegal for share now Konda as the captain Oshirama 15 jersey your captain then say Osunkeke defender I can't defend the structure and also the physique of a defender but on your defender usually the structure is sluggish on your fast now as a defender so on your quick we can't say on your faster who say your defender is be out say Sergio Ramos say ball be and say a man long ball and on the striker be a chasing ball now is very fast now let's match the striker.
I get your point but the problem I want to say when you say Jimmy Cobbler, why a very great disservice to the team.
Yes.
Because after you kind of say Dreams FC player. The team in all his time, or a central defender.
Yes.
But sometimes when you pushing a bit of midfield work. But what didn't do one, but pushing or didn't call a right back.
Yes. Now
so the left back.
Yes. Now
and they were dropping a lot of full right back players.
Yes.
Outside that, Ubo Toku as a second striker. And now say striking from the flanks.
Yes, from the flanks. It's from the flanks.
Was supporting Lumute. Meanwhile, under 17, we saw a young chap in the name or person of Richard Danso. Our height. The game, my boy. and go for ye go we change ya no change midfielder no we ja ye striker on fa another striker man be boa lomiti
kan ho
go ye betimi ahia no nko in that particular game then yeah as we very absent in the game
na usha ata here as a defender and as a right back say we recovery great but usha game now so call to member into Toku as a number 7 and as a winger instead of him attacking is rather defending because Atai on to recover or call to recover so mostly you see Toku say a defense boss now let me tell you the first goal as Senegal for share now it was from the left back position now you cross into the 18 yards Ghana for about 6 as against Senegal for 2 pair they couldn't do the cross now with the Toku Kawa about 7 defenders in the box as against 2 strikers of the Senegal and yet Senegal for share yes now start now Usho Konda here captain here who the structure now who the physics you think you'll be a better defender but as a defender on your fast and it's not quick into Usho Senegal for second goal a long pass from the goalkeeper a goal kick into Senegal for the ball long goal kick Baji Senegal for striker he went into the air
one etimi flicky ball no
sorry and then he went back say yes
Mega mama nyinsi wanda mesamba back home so many other issues na etimi discuss here live on Asempa 94.7 mama Charles Richie and you say good evening and D Roxen Mr. Daniel Roxen of the Roxen Ventures good evening boss boko there see ya but answer na beba no mama kai busuafo nyina say enei bet no bet way na ye twa won say weekend say dia na boys ni here scapa girls so here sika minia no lie and e ba bet twa dia and am so ono nko what is man bebre e de agu no ho abraba obo e de akochiri nyame no ubisa na say bet ho ye den e china Saturday me place me bet ni nyina no odan e ye the bet way and etimi aboa enti we sports fan a channel so enye bone kra asori for nyina de omhugim ye nyina ye twa bi ti say ya no papa sa no bet and kwekwen kakra sa si anso sa du ba bia si akura timi kire me say we de akọ harma ebebu akam enti dano sa anase ko e bia 0.5 anase 2.1 ni nyina no ya de obi aya we enti china ye weekend matches bibiri na no ya de eba ye ko betway anase o phone so bible say ensa anya adwuma no enidi nti hyase miamia phone so anwumre ya place you bet ya de obetimi nya kakra na odi agu botom ne mom say u play pick 5 o select 5 match results no na greater odds of winning come up you play pick 15 so enka ho na ya selective 15 match results up to 1.6 million nyesika kuma nyesika ketwa ni nyina na eyesika sebe obi ka cho se ye kohia omo boot for boot kura na nya de wo se sika dedema ubefi no enti yen hye so na yenya 10 million series eno the colossus eno na nsabetimi aka we ya sika for grow na bia me ka cho se time is money enti pa na wa hwe sika ni watch sanso na ate sa do bowa na do nom jot enti hye so pa sika ofie oye enti yentwa bed ni nyeska na yendi bika kama kwa but www.betway.com.gh na onsetimi aka bet the responsible way omnyina eta echenwumre enye omonko a hye so se the Royal City fonso abadiama amabunu pa enti krom ha wote ha wadi bia 25-30 uni asase a sebe utison sa sebe abo apontiti no eson kwa kono okwa na yere ensa tenetene so enti na mekira okwampa ubenya asase pa ehodwo na watimi ato nyene sa asase board nti dabi o twan no anya sika pudu sika na abu aka mu enkrofoi so mu kona ne gold na de abu dane pada no de abre yo ni nyina eyade abu aka mu nanso ni nyina ntumi sie kwan ye nkoto asase wo the Royal City o cheza ne sa ase nyina no watetete so 10% na watetete so edema obia na eye ensase enwuma koso so dada edinya sa afi na okoto no akodwi so na okope nkrata dabi bibia ya ewoso dada ebia ope portable drinking water unya bi light poster unya bi kwan so de dem drainages de men Canada security ya ire so pampe se be ohia ni aboso no enti enwumre utime nka wo kwan a uye wo kina na de chen the Royal City asase hunsem edan hunsem no ni nyina no ode emaw o chese kanisika 80 million yade a wate so kama pa ebia woni sika nyina da ho menia bema kakra da wo fa komo mo na fa mo en kasa na se momo anhoba se wode bia mfinhia mienu anase bia afi baako ebetua de aka no enkrata no nyina no ye dane e de amawo na afi onsa atumi aka nkrata no wobetumi kura asase aye adwuma baako mienu bi ewo so enti enya hwebuada woni wabusuafo wa mana ne enkasa enam se o to amane obi wode komo hini bi ebebu akam wode koto asase na langas wo betu agu so na sabe unse mema uma beti akati ba asase no so a ho bepo sabeti sabetia esi trogo so ebe ha pa enti anyuma ye ko omu office wonom ewo Asfom Junction first floor Kumoji Plaza ewo Dowenya kwan so na fe no medin sawo so numbers mienu somje odia 050-819-9624 and afi 050-819-9625. Now said to me, the Royal City is owned and managed by King City Real Estate Limited, number one destination for property buyers. Nina no yadia omri hon komo kakra ede ba ewa hanum si awadwe
yanya
Dilabako
yanya bokopa
yanko amra hon yanko amra right
rabi adim ko wen sabai
Sewunya efiedu watwa menum enyema apemfo so pododo to a free 0561 200 333 and 0504 499 977.
Ewo drinking spots BM
and don't go bitters edemufua.
Joy Prime is proud to present the popularly acclaimed telenovela, The White Slave, an amazing story on slavery as never told before.
Stop! I don't want to kill you so easily! Asempa
What are you going to
FM.
do? Nicholas, please, you can't do something crazy!
The White Slave tells the story of a little girl who lost her family. She will come back looking for justice to free her people and become a legend. Will justice be served? How strong can a woman really be?
I will travel there with the title of a marquise. I'm going to do everything in my power to find my family and be with Miguel.
Witness the most intriguing twist to the story of slavery as we know it. The White Slave, because blood is the same color. The White Slave premiering on 20th February at 8 p.m. exclusively on Joy Prime. Joy Prime, real entertainment.
Sister waitress, Mr. Present to home table when I'm in movie. Why?
Me pacho minie.
Good. One who negus now, woman cheese be a table when she had to say by the fireside or corner honor.
Me pacho ane.
Good. Now, what about a guy now on a giving support joint honor?
Me huno.
Wonderful. Now, a dear bitters necessity or menima, one more sepina corner if lit trebians ano.
Me pacho a kakai 777 bitters for fronwa.
Hey, na bitters he bad a benya just sporting in our boss with pieces will be a table so high.
Eya Kingdom Beverages and Safufra Woma ye and say yama engagements ne party ase outdoor ne a year sinina se kakai 777 bitters yipwe honum say ya and sunumo.
I see. Na se Kingdom Beverages Limited at the kakai 777 bitters aba. I'm a man for watching a dog one. Na meti ha chi go slow. Ye fast na bremi bi.
At to phone fre 0244 805 415 and now 0244 803 899 at your phone sunum no mon kai say yenton emma won mu a won dum fie dum woche enye emma apemfo ene emma won ma nufo
Peter Bono na no den dodo na no den dodo hwehwehwe oba na no bema kasa kura mani nkebi
Asempa FM.
You about to fashino
medini efia papa bi Memini debia every 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Ho any the Asempa drama series ebrewo adisuade bebre ewo mu sanso na paserie ewo mu ewo Asempa 94.7 FM so obeti nsem to say
efu nti wo kura da be na wo betua
aden be kasa de be we sit on be here be tie nkude
omo mechie because taxi tuan eye
so wa tibi enti memini da we ni memini da bia eyi we fidie ni emfiri ha say manenda Asempa 94.7 FM so na yensre yensanso ensiade
Very well, we shall for back live Asempa 94.7. See again, so I will have a matinase. See, I'm adjourned.
Yeah,
Media Boko, dear. Boko. Bano, na me say, Mamin Kai will say, delegates on Betwaba, Ediama, Kofua, Omo, Pria Kunyano, and so Munamoba Pro. Na Probono, Ubia Qua, Ubia was some Moka, and I'm say, Omo manifesto hold on MI. See, dear Airban say, delegates in Chess, George Free, or Ba and Coma Numudiano, or Casasa, or Inspira. I say, or show moon cry a baby football baby dear ho. One fellow said, Kupaman so qua, as he came Kutan Music or say on the nest of kin to Quasinian Tachin as a Quasinian Tachin, on needing idea. And also appear, and I care to click on so on where they touched one. You see, the answer cananesa, I just say, Yasunum, I say, no, on one of the Nakudo of the other day. Just say, two of Bayagu. I mean, yes, I ever pray or never the Crusader. I want to the Crusader. And I feel Nanaya and Ponsa was only the sent one. And I said, Nyame, and I said the Messiah. And Asumano, I want also or Casabia was this. And I feel Fred Papon, which I said, or no, yet the new chapter of the new Effie. I just say, Enyasim Kuma. When you are in Comoa, Omoko delegate to her, Omumudie. Minim, dear, we in a mini pay. Also, Nyamia Kacho, the father inspire the nest of kin, the touched one, the Crusader, the Saint Messiah, the foreigner, and I said the new chapter of the new Effie. Afi has sponsors. I shall say if he has one. Just a minute. Now we be line area. But don't bet my join here about there 2-3 minutes. No join here 0302 216546 and after 0546 382 And
your number is here.
That be me say 3 minutes.
Has a full coach. Has a full coach. As I know, catch a cotton. Or can some new plan at each room?
What's the fire?
I say, I want top players. I want players on Muton. No plan. Say, no plan. Say, what the back king wrong? I should be catches a wedge me.
Oh, sir. Minyasho. I didn't no plan just with me.
Was it a strategic one? Oh, you can't walk a bomb. I just wait me.
Oh, Debbie. See, I'm so close. No, you say line is right.
That in the line is right. She what about no money come as a
Martin.
Money come as a.
What do you say ready in team Daco?
I normalization for me say Baku. I confirm a preposition. Normalization for
aspirants. No.
GFN. Me see it. Chrome Baku. Be careful from crown to review.
What it am?
Me see. Some from Baku. Be careful.
And after spring test, you know.
Maybe I mean, you are me say Baku. Be careful. To review.
You know what good.
Baku dia akuma yare akuma. Ya ase news bi anu se be shomu what e ben say popo bibi. Ni san kan atete say aban say the popo bibi I also atese ni so
mo show bi be wun kom sana ana mo
oh dabi tie masem mami landi
e ba dem Ghana for charge ne kaka me mo aba dabi me no be wie san kom no me interest ho me no be wie me jabe a minute na afia wie hello good evening hello good evening yes I'm back when
Papa me too catch you Jenny.
Okay, Jenny be abakọ there.
Ya mi adum.
Se me tip me need my enti adobe bra be bia na makodo akra.
Yo, me ba cho si awa hu. Ya ni se mi okikare ha dwempa. Si oye kotokoni. Onye opportunity bia o kan se mi tia House of Folk. But the mekan say omo meto aba GF president no. Omo ntuma George Free.
The inspire. Okay. But that's about young for line. So hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, I'm Pacho Winnie.
I got your Adenta.
I don't talk about young coin.
You can tell the phone. I'm sure I'm finding your phone with you. Now, I'm sure I'm going to good luck. Would you get such a family? I shall share telephone after the fast for the next week. Amen.
Amen. But that's about for Russell. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, I'm Pacho Winnie.
Didn't papa ya me kasa fi come take my bed anymore na to mobile phones
me sure say twa bet ne kakra
oh dey one tia
me nti we
kama kan say no baba so nobody on this chat am why
Martin me chia na ma pa me da say hello good evening
papa
yes I'm Pacho Winnie
Juma
Juma ya pa mami nti we
jambo ni me to on ka say
Me she to krobim. Na me be hwe me.
Aja na o ja pata mo na be yadwuma. Na me to voice kwa na me.
Na me sha bibre kwa me.
Ni wadwuma num pa.
Me dase pa.
Pani aso na o ma failed.
Mama na se fa me nia. Fu from so bra good evening.
Hello?
Yes, Sampacho Weni.
Good evening, Pacho. You are the big ammonia.
Needing who here no air condition special. Bernard Yankwe.
I open the castle. Pacho, what to avoid my farm, Sarbago, and a doctor's custom. They come and improve Copenhagen. Antonia and Wakasa, and Yak, the Papa, play on our player here. It's a cam and it's the who has to say, Papa. It's all possible and why.
Okay. Hello, good evening.
Papa Maestro.
Yes, I boss, Pacho, when you.
Oh, we are the that's all, man.
Then Vina Bibia Bacode.
I don't know if I will be too bomb by a mouth. I am not really to me.
Number him what a come to
my wife. Oh, you so Papa Maestro. The bomb by a young couple more by to account for them. What?
Amen.
No crowd can be Yami also. See, I'm to me, Siano, I don't know the man also being kind of 5 years in my farm or my Ghana. Yale Tanata Antoniana Wakasa Panya Copo Sirena, Vidio or Yia, the team now on Soma Beti, Ama Vidia, Kuya, Monoson in a Busian. Papa must be ready to Yanko.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, sir, boss, but when you
Pacho Sabato,
Sabato Bibia Bacodia, Yankwe.
Yamada Moko, now,
Yamigusu Shamepa Menada.
Yamiaspi, a bomb of Basumi at Mapa, Magana. Pastor Kakra me can say one say your national coaches say or games biana say who say enko ye man pe no the blame o ma say yentia meka na yentia o ka adwuma na wo ye say ba bia me pese mo ye ho adwuma ma me ne say
ye facha pa. Hello, good evening.
Soka the macho
one time but when you Yo.
You didn't have a I'm moving now. Say
you be able to engineer, yes, sir. And you shall go. But you engineers restaurant, Yen Snappy and Quay.
And I'm interested in and I'm talking to supporters. And then the matter has a food. Come grant what to bomb a boy. Oh, that is a move. The baboon album. Mushroom, let's say. Namia, we not next opportunity there. Make sure said, looking the beer, a fellow say, to grant.
Part 2 beba next Friday. And me che womo. Me che womo.
Okay, or 2 muno. Fancy or Yakada, and what you ma, or fan farm uncle. But even look at the commander and the call. And I admire that is the point.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Me da say,
I should be originally say, we shall come at it. Then I have my Wednesday. Hey, come on, some come on, and some come up. The committee PR me sit down for Opa and then so resign respect of one of Quequano. I bear more than
10%. Now, why not Boko Quebu the enemy? I did.
At the 10 of the address.
The Bessian kind and discussing. Yeah, Pacho Nadia. Me, I'm a fro. Why? Me, I'm a fro. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, I'm Pacho final caller. When you the Pacho Jina Casa Nafi and sorry, why? Udia Catino, and you may be a fro. Why? Yeah, Casa. See,
hello, Missy.
Hello. Yes, I want you.
Apparently, my father, or catching
Yenny Titi and Uncle.
What are the mechanics committee? No, Basto. Name, also president, no, they say. Asempa, nearly 12 India, so I'll be used to that.
Yes, Missy, every presidency, say you plan back, but you come here, travel from Kukura.
That's okay. And who was about with me? Sorry.
Missy,
and what's about
way back, Jimmy, Mammy, yes, Missy. No, actually, and as a makers, I Missy, one more Jowian, but travel from Kikira. Didn't you say normalization for now? Or maybe Omaka say, you'll be a quiet to be a campaign. No, but the mandate in the chair said, Omunia Sanchi Sharon, dear, you I saw Sanchi Sharon down the back. As you, Niparaka Sala Cobra, president. what in baby or did you know me? I don't know.
Oh yeah, sure.
What did you know
me? FA president Abra on your campaign.
Tom never so many you
bet my FA president Abra on your football person.
May say
I want survey with a club will be here for 2 years.
May say you pen now with FA president. Much you come here. See ya. Somewhere me can send you body bring you. Say Nipo Baby FA president no. Sanko funu and sana mu na o kan wo.
Mama say na
o kan wo.
Body.
Wo kan wo.
Why na be the FA president?
Jata no nkase be sisi kingano nye sifo mo a.
Jata bi amfi baby ama.
Okay.
Susu ha ha wani. Now what why na be wu no?
Me say normalization FA presidency as parents no. Bako. Ada obeti say normalization for nay pam na free adim so on kan no. Mr. Obi is a good to a baby from Bra.
Yes, ready intend that make it. Yes, so but Mamentia doggy were pub 16. And of the squadier Chiwi Ben Bongo and all the good guys. Mencha Obia. Yes, sir.
Yes. Nana dia 11:30 years ya Jan Medinyan ko kwase mba na Sunday she be so Harvard College yo CS teacher po enti
they say me jadi bia timino wo chase asom
na so kwa no na o titi ni number bi sa no nyanko profi obra ho na dimo ho
na te ska ho bibia so meba Michael yanya
and at 24 we are back for na omo ye week now the wingers
and no come no nyadwene because see let's walk that technical eye and was select a four of the players to face and say yes you know cuz omo ye week there
say 9% player by player analysis but time into material yes into America show say back for you now omungina your week they are the weakest part of our team now the wingers 2 Ajay Obo 11 Toku Obo 7 Omodumo Pakun Sana said their main job is to provide assist never
Michael Timmy the main point is say their main job is to provide assist assist so no the job they are working under the instruction of the coach
and that is the instruction given to them
that
oh sir you see it from afar when you watch it you see from afar
I'm the moderator. The American said, you look at it from a coaching perspective.
Yes.
And it's what Ghana now see the instruction given to them. So you use the flanks.
Yes.
No, because they are coaching about a diamond formation.
About diamond formation, or about 4-4-1-1 with Sabit and Kuma in the middle, or about Toku 7, or about Ajay 11, or about Kudos Mohammed behind Daniel Mote. The two midfield, Sabit, Nikuma, their main role is to defend and I say defensive midfield role not their mom creativity
that is the
creativity
that is the diamond formation
but diamond formation
when you are playing a spearhead striker then your formation becomes diamond because because you play your back four you play your two and then you play your lone striker. Yes. Is that not the formation you are saying?
That diamond formation, 2 strikers. We have 4 defenders. Then 1 defensive midfielder. Then 2 number 8. We got 1 defensive midfielder number 6. 2 number 8. 1 number 10. And 2 number 9. It's only diamond formation. But we about 4-4-1-1. We have Toku on number 7. We have Ajay number 11. We have Kudos Mohammed play as number 10. Then the Lomote as the main striker. And the 2 number 6. Sabit. And the creativity.
Timmy. You are not a coach. I am saying that whenever a coach says about a diamond formation or about a single striker, there is no 2 strikers making up a diamond formation. I know Fatu team. So over a spearhead striker, that makes it a diamond. What do you say?
That diamond formation. You see the diamond formation in the middle of the pack and not in the striking department. It will share the formation. 4, but diamond in the middle. Now side diamond formation. Philippe Scolari, Robert Chelsea in 2009, or you see side diamond formation. Ancelotti is the same formation or you see now. Mauricio Pochettino about the diamond formation. Say now about Ari Winks in the middle. You see Ari Winks playing number 6. You see Christian Eriksen on the right. In the diamond formation, you see diamond formation clearly in the middle of the pack.
Yeah, that's all. When it's getting hotter and interesting. That's but Jimmy Cobbler in last game will be against Mali Otina. Jimmy picking a point. Yes. Just a point. Yes.
But
one shot Nkomo bi after yes Senegal game on coach bi wo krom ha di no. Nyame ya do next week Friday at chance. My game da sepa. See me da sepa anafi miniaba gifty antied Bernard Paddy Boche Philippo to writer amenyo fantastic afi Immortal Kwame Ajakun champion. Ebisa for me di my show. Yeah sorry so Asempa 94.7 at the right time and the same platform. Ebesensha. Akra obia.
Asempa FM. Asempa FM.